Hello everyone, I'm Jam and welcome back to my channel. So for this video, we are going to do a Get Unready With Me video featuring my updated weekly night routine for 2018. Yeah, for 2018 because the last time that I did a nightly routine is way back 2017 or last year. So I'll just be posting the link in the description box below for my 2017 night routine. But for this video, I'm going to show you my updated weekly night routine. So weekly siya dahil ito yung lengthier version ng night routine ko. So meron akong night routine which is separate na ginagawa ko on a daily basis. Pero mas matagal to at mas mataas to kasi mas marami akong ilalagay sa face nito. But without further ado, let's proceed to the video. Madali ko to kasi gusto ko na talagang matulog and talagang medyo thick na yung face ko. I mean, imagine, I've been up since 2 a.m. yesterday. So, parang 24 hours na akong awake and gusto ko na talagang matulog. But anyway, let's start first by removing this makeup right here. So, what I usually do is I take up a beauty oil. So, this is a sunflower oil and wet wipes. So, actually, this is the sunflower oil pero naubos ko na yung sunflower oil. So, what I did is I bought sunflower oil in bulk. And then, I mix it with virgin coconut oil, argan oil, and tea tree oil. So, ginawa kong customize yung beauty oil ko. So, let's proceed to that one. So, let's just take a wet wipe and then let's start wiping it all out. Wet wipe. And then, I just mix it all up kasi the ingredients of this customized beauty oil is sunflower oil, virgin coconut oil, rose water, and tea tree oil. So, gusto ko talagang i-mix up siya para marami akong ma-use. And also, this is really good for the skin. And I have read some articles stating that sunflower oil and virgin coconut oil clogs pores. Actually, yes, it's true. It clogs pores. Pero nagka-clog lang yun pag nilagay nyo yung coconut oil sa face nyo tapos pinag-stay nyo overnight. So, dapat ginagamit nyo lang siya as makeup remover, hindi as moisturizer. Wait, di ko ito natanggal. Di ko natagal yung artificial. Let's remove this. See, ang dali. Like, one swipe. We're done removing makeup from my face. As you can see, wala na makeup yung face ko. It feels very light and ito na yung nagamit ko. Ew. Now, let's proceed to the next part which is washing my face. So, I'll be doing this off-cam kasi malayo yung CR dito and ayoko namang maging wet yung entire room ko dahil dito ako nag-wash ng face. But I'll be showing you the product that I'm using. So, I'm using this Brown Rice Foam Cleansing Primer from 3W Clinic. So, this is good for anti-sebum production. This is brown rice extracts, keeps your rough skin soft and moisturized, blah blah blah. It comes in 100 ml worth of the product and I bought this one from Beauty Manila. So, this has been this one replaced my Nivea Whitening Foam Cleanser and I tried this one for now. So, I will be right back with a cleaner face. I'm back, so done. I'm already done washing my face, so yun. Mukhang madali siya sa video, pero it actually took me 5 minutes to do that one. So now, let's proceed to the next step, which is the facial scrub. So I do this actually 3 times a week. Pero, usually, tinatiming ko siya during the weekend. So, I'm using the Lily's Touch Diamond polish. So, I bought this last year and hindi ko pa siya nauubos kasi ang tagal niyang maubos. Gusto ko nang maubos siya para makapagbay ako ng bagong facial scrub. But it says here that expiration nito matagal pa rin, 2019 o next year. So, kailangan ko na talaga itong maubos. So, I use this as my facial scrub. This is the product right here. So, what I do is I actually use a spatula. So, I guess some of you know that this is a spatula from the Veet hair removing cream. So, sinisave ko siya kasi alam ko someday magagamit ko siya and nagamit ko talaga. So, yun. I'll just be getting a small amount here kasi ayokong i-dip talaga directly yung hands ko. And then, you know, just put it in my palm just to, you know, to transfer the product. And then, what I do is I distribute it on my face like that. Alam ko medyo maarte, pero this is just to partially spread, tapos ginagamit ko na yung kamay ko afterwards. And I really put a liberal amount kasi gusto ko siyang maubos. This product actually has small beads that acts as the scrub of the product. Done scrubbing my face, so let me rinse this off and I'll be right back. I have washed out my face from that facial scrub that I did. So now let's proceed na sa susunod kong step, which is applying clay mask. So this has been the new added step aside from the facial scrub which I do. I actually started applying clay mask kasi based on research, maganda daw yung effect ng clay mask sa face mo, especially if you do it like 3 times a week. So I actually do this 3 times a week, the same with the facial scrub. Now, what I do is I actually customize my clay mask. So I use bentonite clay and then I also mix rose water, coconut oil, sunflower oil, and argan oil. Just a few drops of the oils. Instead of water, I use rose water instead. Para talagang healthy siya. Wala itong water, just rose water. So, I really like to apply a very thick layer of clay mask into my face para talagang covered yung entire face ko. And then, I let it sit for 15 minutes or until mag-dry out yung face mask. So, let's proceed. Ay, straight hair. Now, what I like also about this one is talagang very cooling ito. Like, when you put it in your face, grabe ang cool nung clay. So as you can see, I have already applied the clay into my face and I will wait for 15 minutes minimum for this to dry out or until mag-dry out na ito completely. But for this video, I'll just do it in 15 minutes time. So I'll be back after a few minutes. It is now 15 minutes, guys, and as you can see, medyo nag-dry out na yung mask natin. So I will be rinsing this one and I'll be right back. Now I'm done rinsing off my clay mask off my face. So now let's proceed to the next step, which is toning my face. So I'll be using this new toner that I got from MINISO. This is the Baymax Hydration Intensive Skincare Sea Spring Watery Moisturizing Toner for soft and moisturization. Getting one cotton pad right here. I'm just going to dab it in. Okay, hindi ko na mag-edit. So now we're done with the toner, so let's proceed to the next step, which is eye cream. So again, I'm still using the Quick Fix Eye Lip Cream and I'll be putting some on my... Oh, malapit na rin ito maubos. Actually, talagang na-excite ako pag malapit na maubos yung isang product. Kasi ibig sabihin nun, bibili na naman ako ng bagong product. Afterwards, maglalagay tayo ng serum. So this is the serum that I use. This is the Layania House of Beauty C2E Collagen Serum Concentrate. So I use this one on day and night time. So I just put 3 drops here. So right here. Medyo madali lang natin yung pag-spread kasi medyo madali itong mag-spread out. And then spread it all over my face and into the neck area. So next, we'll be putting on night cream. So for the night cream, I'm just using this product from Bello. It's the Night Therapy Whitening Vitamin Cream. Actually, I bought this one kasi I saw this in the grocery store and then I remembered na naubos na pala yung night cream ko. So this is just an impulse buy. But anyways, I will still use this one kasi nandito na to. So why not try? So what I like about this product is upon opening, meron siyang dispenser ng product. So you don't have to directly get the product using your hands. So this is very hygienic and this is a really good move. And also it also has a cover here. Let's put it here. My area. Dito sa neck. Smells really good. So next, let's proceed to the next part, which is applying sleeping mask. So I'm using the 3W Clinic Healthy and Elastic for your skin while you sleep Snail Mucus Sleeping Mask. So I'll be just... So this actually replaced my aloe vera gel sleeping mask, which I have been using for months. Marami pa siyang laman kasi isang tub yun eh. So I just place a pause on it and then change into a new product and be trying this one as well. So actually marami din tong laman. Like, it's really a lot. This actually has a very medicinal scent. Really apply a thick amount into the skin kasi madali lang naman itong ma-absorb. So, hindi talaga siya problem. And lastly, for this step, I will be adding a instant spot corrector to some spots in my face na kailangan na mag-dry out. So, I actually have some spots right here. Parang magiging acne. So, kailangan ko yung i-prevent. So, I'll be putting this one as well. Ginagawa ko lang talaga siya. And that wraps up my updated weekly night skincare routine for 2018. I hope you learned something while watching this video, and I hope I help you if you have some questions with regards to skincare routine. And also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have comments about this video, please don't hesitate to comment down below. I will be really happy to answer your questions or respond to your suggestions. Also, if you have recommendations or suggestions for future video ideas, you can also comment down below as well. And please don't forget to subscribe by clicking the red button down below so that you will be notified with more content from me. Anyways, thank you very much for watching this video. See you again on my next one. Bye!